dump at, Jay? Hey, we need to be getting down around 6 foot deep. To get easier, we'll end up having to work out in this rain even longer. Be careful. That trailer doesn't have any brakes. So yeah, be careful. Push you right into ass into somebody. Alright, since he ain't got a radio and he ain't fucking look here. Probably. Hey, do we have any hydraulic fluid? Real quick. Yeah, he said there's no hydraulic fluid in the machine. Can we put that on hold for just a second? Alright, Jay said there's hydraulic fluid on the okay, 10 1.
Well, let him know though that y'all gotta go over that at a certain pass.
Yeah, yes. That's all the power out of that truck wants to go sideways with you at 70. And he swears. Turtle. It'll help you move better without being jerky. Always move it slowly. There you go. Bounce out. There you go. Grab it. Throttle up a little bit. Whenever you start to move back, throttle it down.
I've already tried to do it well, and all
Fuel
of it
pump
didn't.
can be spewing gas, not spewing gas. Spewing gas, not spewing gas.